2009 Dodge Challenger SXT V6. Got factory converters there and there. Then we true dualed it, took the X pipe off, took everything off, true dualed it all the way back into FLOWMASTER 40 series. If you want to purchase them, there's a link in the description. And then 4-inch tips, if you want to purchase those, there's a link in the description. Right there and right there. True dualed all the way back, 2 1/4. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Part number 42443 is on the mufflers. You need a set of 2 if you guys want to do the 40 series. That's what they look like. True dual. Dodge, Dodge, Dodge. Oh, good. There's the sound decibels on it again. Oh, the highest was 102 when it peaked. Yeah, 102 is sound decibels, so it sounds perfect. It won't resonate too much in the ear, in the inside. Just a nice deep tone. Go ahead. It's howling, bro. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside.